Good morning. Okay guys, so we've come for breakfast at Mitra Samaj. We've heard it's a nice place, so hoping to enjoy some lovely food.
This is what shattered dreams taste like.
This is biscuit roti. In North it is called as kachori.
How is it, Nisha?
Okay, 3 out of 5.
What about you?
Not very good. Sambar is all watery.
What do you love?
Okay, feeling. Nothing better.
I ended up having sambar. They don't serve dosa in the morning, guys. तो इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया है, इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया है मेरा.
So we're going back home after the disastrous breakfast we've had. Look at this beautiful morning view. This is so beautiful. Wow. The beach sound. That's the sea walk. We came here in the night, we came here in the morning.
Boating facility to the St. Mary's Island is closed, I think because of COVID. That's where the island is. Oh, it was a good opportunity. Missed it. This is where the ship would normally take all the passengers, load them up and take them to the island. Some other time.
बहुत deep है ना?
So bye. 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 So we have checked out from his Grace Homestay from Udupi, and now we are going to Mangalore. Look at the right side. Man, this is an epic.
ID Ontario.
Such a lazy afternoon. Coffee ready.
So we're done with our evening tea session, and now we are heading out to Udupi Beach. नहीं भेज रहा हूँ. Hi Sabu. Where are we right now?
We are at this beach. I don't know the name, but we are in Mangalore.
This is Tanir Bavi Beach. Huh? What is it? Why? Oh, this beach is closed as it's too risky and it's not safe to get into the water. So we have to go back. Such a shame. So we are going back. We cannot enter this beach, so there's another beach nearby which is 10 kilometers away, Hosabettu Beach. All funny names, so let's see what that beach has in store for us. What's up people? You're at Hosabettu Beach? Yeah. Are you excited? Yeah, that's the spirit. Sabu Masi.
Hello.
Kawwa.
Beach is like totally empty, man. It's like we have booked it. It's a private beach.
Private beach for you, Sabu?
Yes.
Yeah. It was my surprise. It's broken. Is it broken? Go for it, guys. Take. That was a close shave. That was like Gillette. Superb, Lorry. Good one. Not bad. Nami, you enjoying?
Yes, I am enjoying. Shallow water it is.
Yes.
But the sand is not that strong, which is going along with the water.
Yes.
Even from the it is very soft.
It's sliding away.
1 minute, I will show.
That's a wrap for today. If you want to get into the phone, you have to click 2 times. An extra step is required, and it gives you a message that time to go off to bed.
Every time.
After 10 o'clock.